In this video, you'll be learning how to do 5 magic tricks with any pen. You'll be learning how to make your pen vanish and reappear, making any ring go right through the pen. Make any ring vanish with a pen. Make any pen go up your nose, out of your mouth, making the pen disappear. Subscribe if you're new. You're awesome. Let's learn the first trick, how to make it vanish and then reappear. You want to hold it like this and practice snapping your fingers. You want to hold the pen, and when you wave it, you snap it back just like this. You snap it back, hold it just like this. And so from this angle, it looks like it's vanished. And then you open these 2 fingers at an angle so you don't see the end of the pen, and it looks like it's gone. And then when you want to bring it back, when you wave, you want to grab it and then just move it back to the front. So you snap it, open, grab, and you make it appear just like that. So it should look like this all together. How cool is that? Trick number 2, you need any ring. Any ring. See, there are no holes or cuts. There's nothing funny with this ring. It's a normal ring. You want a normal ring and Sharpie. Put the ring on the Sharpie and see, it can't escape. But all of a sudden, it just went right through the Sharpie. So what you want to do is hold the Sharpie just like this and the ring just like this. Push the ring forward, and then the Sharpie is putting pressure in the back, and all you do is slide the ring off just like that. Just slide it off. Just slide it off, and then you bring it right in the middle where it was. So altogether, it should just look like that. It looks like the ring magically went right through Sharpie. How cool is that? Now for the third trick, you want to make any ring magically disappear, but really, it's just right here. So you hold it, and as you wave and go boom, boom, or tap, tap, and what you want to do is throw the ring up in the air and catch it with this hand and hold it right here. So the ring is right here. So really fast, it should look like this, and it looks like it vanished and disappeared. So altogether, it should look like tap, tap, boom, boom, it vanished, and it disappeared. But really, it's right here. How cool is that? Boom! Now for the next trick, ooh! Trick number 4 is Sharpie up the nose. How cool is that? So you want to hold the Sharpie just like this, and you just slide it up. But from this angle, it looks like it's going up the nose, but really you're just holding it like this. And then you just grab it with your mouth and reveal. How cool is that? So it should look like this. Ooh, ooh. But from this angle, ooh. How cool is that? For the next trick, you want any ring or coin, and when you wave, tap, tap, just like the other trick, and you go wash the ring, magically disappear, but really you're making the Sharpie disappear, but they don't know that. And you go boom, boom, you put it behind your ear, just like this. And so, from this angle, it looks like it disappeared. So really fast, it should look like boom, boom, tappy, tappy, tap, boom, disappeared. But really, it's just right here. But from this angle, it looks like it totally vanished. How cool is that? If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button. You're awesome. And I post videos every single day. I love you so much, and thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you for 12,000 subscribers. You guys mean the absolute world to me. I love you so much, and you are awesome.